with our stock movers. It's a podcast. Please don't start with Intel. Do something different.
I wanted to be original. Look, we cannot ignore the fact this is the biggest mover of the day, people.
Fair.
Intel up 26%, now on track to hit their highest level ever. Why? A blockbuster quarter last quarter, and perhaps even more importantly, a better than expected outlook. Revenue is going to be in the range of 13.8 to 14.8 billion this quarter. Wall Street was looking for 13 billion, so that's a really nice beat if it happens. Yep. And analysts are saying this basically suggests that Intel's CEO is making progress on his comeback plan to position this chip maker to benefit from the build out of AI. Remember last year he lined up a bunch of major investments in Intel, including the U.S. government, which is the third largest. You said earlier, Paul, the third largest investor in Intel is the U.S. government now. So on paper, at least, the U.S. government's stake in Intel is now worth nearly $37 billion.
Wow.
And it's taking other chips stocks along with it. AMD, which also has those central processing units, those CPUs, both Intel and AMD make those, and there's a lot of demand for them. So AMD up again near a record high. We've got Taiwan Semiconductor higher, and this has helped push the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index higher. It's up about 30% so far this month.
18th straight day of gains.
But who's counting?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's stick with semiconductor sector, because there's another company, not as big as Intel or as well known, but it's called MaxLinear. This stock is up 50%, ticker symbol MXL. The company out with first quarter results and second quarter revenue forecasts, both better than expected. An analyst over at Needham raising this stock from hold to buy, announcing a $60 price target. They're saying you're going to see multi-year growth, that they're in a multi-year growth phase right now because of optical data center connectivity. I don't know what that means, but I think it has to do with AI.
My observation on this, I did just, that was really sophisticated, folks. I think it was Google Gemini. How many people work at all these data centers we're building?
Yeah.
Not that many.
Not a lot. Not a lot.
Not a lot.
MaxLinear, based in Carlsbad, California, right near San Diego, 1,100 employees. Wow, it's had a great run. Up 250% over
You
the
should
trailing
see
12
their
months.
Padres tickets.
Yes, exactly.
Do you have one more?
I do. Procter Gamble, another name we all know, up more than 2% today. Stronger than expected results for the latest quarter, driven by, believe it or not, now this is the company behind Tide, but it's the beauty category that led. Organic sales growth 7% in the quarter, the most since 2023, driven by a lot of demand in Europe and North America. Company also raised its outlook for commodity costs in the current fiscal year. Organic sales up 3% in the third quarter. So P&G is the first of sort of the consumer product staples companies to report. And we'll see if the others can follow suit. But nice report from P&G, and stocks getting rewarded.
Thank you for your coverage, particularly this morning on Intel. I mean, it's
the
like
story.
It's incredible to see.
Can you and I say, like, we've never seen this? I think we can.
No, and again, this is not a meme stock. This is old technology. Intel, the founder, one of the founders of Silicon Valley back in the day, and now they are getting a new life because they have found a way to play this AI
Absolutely
game.
extraordinary.
Yep, great for them.